ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും ലേണേഴ്സ് അക്കാഡമിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ജൂനിയർ ക്ലർക്ക് എക്സാമിന്റെ ഡേറ്റ് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഫെബ്രുവരി 6-നാണ് എക്സാം. ഇനിയും ഒരു മാസത്തോളം ഉണ്ട് എക്സാമിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇന്നു മുതൽ തന്നെ എക്സാമിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് പഠിച്ചു തുടങ്ങാം. അപ്പോൾ ഇപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ജൂനിയർ ക്ലർക്ക് എക്സാമിന് വരാൻ സാധ്യതയുള്ള കുറച്ച് ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: Which statement for voting right of member of cooperative society is true? Every member of cooperative society has one and only one vote to exercise irrespective of the number of shares held by him. Option B: Every member of cooperative society has number of vote to exercise proportionate to the number of shares held by him. C. Every member of cooperative society has arbitrary number of vote to exercise which is not linked to shares held by him. None of the above. Answer is option A. Every member of cooperative society has one and only one vote to exercise irrespective of the number of shares held by him. Second question: Member of cooperative society should be treated equal in distribution of dividends or reductions in charges. This statement related to which value of cooperative? Option A: equity. Option B: equality. Option C: solidarity. Option D: social responsibility. Answer is option A: equity. Third question: The 97th CCA 2011 has given citizens of India the right to form a cooperative society. This right is considered as option A: constitutional right. Option B: fundamental right. Option C: human right. Option D: none of the above. Answer option B: fundamental right. Fourth question: Which statement best describe democratic characteristic of cooperative society? Option A: A cooperative society is managed by salaried employees appointed by board of directors. Option B: A cooperative society is managed by a minority group of members of board of directors. A cooperative society is managed single-handedly. Chairman of cooperative society. A cooperative society is managed by elected members of board of directors. Answer D: A cooperative society is managed by elected members of board of directors. Fifth question: Every office bearer must take responsibility for his personal actions, for the activity as whole and for its impact on society. This statement related to which value of cooperative? A. Self-help. B. Self-responsibility. C. Social responsibility. D. Solidarity. Answer option B: self-responsibility. അടുത്ത question: Which statement about members of cooperative society is not true? Members of cooperative society believe in ethical values of honesty. B. Members of cooperative society believe in openness. C. Members of cooperative society believe in social responsibility. D. Members of cooperative society believe in caring for self. Answer option D. Members of cooperative society believe in caring for self. Seventh question. Which of the statement for cooperative society is true? Cooperative society remains neutral from a political party but aligned towards religious group. Option B. Cooperative society aligned towards political party but remain neutral from religious party. Option C. Cooperative society remains neutral from both political party and religious group. Option D. None of the above. Answer option C. Cooperative society remains neutral from both political party and religious group. Eighth question. Cooperative societies strengthen the cooperative movement by working through local, regional, national and international cooperative structures. This statement related to which principle of cooperation? Option A. Cooperation among cooperatives. Option B. Education, training and information. Option C. Concern for community. Option D. None of the above. Answer option A. Cooperation among cooperatives. Ninth question. Cooperative law is listed in the Indian Constitution in which schedule? Second schedule, fifth schedule, fourth, seventh schedule. Answer option A. Second schedule. Tenth question. International Cooperative Alliance in 1995 financialized how many values for cooperation? 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer option C. 7. 11th question. Members have right of participation, a right to be informed, a right to hear, and right to be involved in making decisions. This statement related to which value of cooperation? Option A. Ethical value. Option B. Equity. Option C. Solidarity. Option D. Equality. Answer option D. Equality. Next question. Members are to be associated as equal as possible without any kind of discrimination of gender, religion, caste, creed, race, etc. This statement related to which value of cooperative? Option A. Equity. Option B. Equality. Option C. Democracy. Option D. Openness. Option B. Equality. 13th. Which statement is true for cooperation? A. Cooperation is similar to concept of capitalistic economy. Option B. Cooperation is similar to concept of socialistic economy. Option C. Cooperation is a middle way between the two extremes of capitalistic economy and socialist economy. D. None of the above. Option C. 14th question. Which statement best describes business enterprise characteristic of cooperative society? A cooperative society is a charitable enterprise. Option B. Cooperative society is a form of business organization coupled with profit and risk. C. Cooperative society is a religious enterprise. None of the above. Answer option B. Next question. Cooperatives should move beyond caring for members only. They should financially assist or organize activities beneficial to the entire community. This statement related to which value of cooperative? Option A. Social responsibility. B. Democracy. C. Honesty. D. Equality. Answer option A. Social responsibility. 16th question. Famous dictum of cooperative, all for one and one for all means. Option A. Cooperative society aims for welfare of a particular community. Option B. Cooperative society aim for welfare of a particular individual. Option C. Cooperative society aim for welfare of whole community. Option D. None of the above. Answer option C. 17th question. Which statement for prime objective of cooperative society is true? Option A. The prime objective of a cooperative society is to remove the middleman presence in the economic activity. Option B. The prime objective of a cooperative society is to support the middleman presence in economic activity. Option C. The prime objective of a cooperative society is to work jointly with the middleman presence in economic activity. Option D. None of the above. Answer option A. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നതിന് മുൻപായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്റെ ചാനൽ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായി ആ തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെല്ലൈക്കണും കൂടി ഒന്ന് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. 18th one. Which of the statement for cooperative is true? Cooperation renders service to its members with the intention of making profit. Option B. Cooperation renders service to its members without the intention of making profit. Option C. Cooperation does not provide service to its members. D. None of the above. Answer option A. 19th question. Which of the statement about cooperative is not true? Cooperative is a voluntary form of organization. Option B. Cooperative is an association of human beings. C. Cooperative is organized on the basis of inequality. Option D. Objective of cooperative is the economic interest of its members. Answer option C. Cooperative is organized on the basis of inequality. 20th. Which of the statement about cooperative is true? Cooperative stands for promotion of interest of producer only. B. Cooperative stands for promotion of interest of consumer only. C. Cooperative stands for promotion of interest of both producers and consumers. Option D. None of these. Answer option C. Cooperative stands for promotion of interest of both producers and consumers. Thank you.